Hi, and welcome to our video tutorial on no-code customer portal and no-code Stripe customer portal. So after a while of running a subscription business, you know that your customers' cards fail and they need to update their payment method. They might want to view their receipts. You might get an email from a customer asking for all the receipts from the prior year so they could do their taxes, or they might need to just cancel, or they might need to upgrade their plan. So Customer Portal allows your customers to log in and do all these things in an automated way from their own account without having to bother you, so you can focus on growing your business and not on digging up receipts from the prior year. So I have a customer who signed up, and I'll go through that flow in a second, but they'll just like log in by clicking my account. They're already logged in. They'll click on profile and they can see some information, and then they'll click on billing details, and this will be our customer portal. This comes with Paid Members app. It's integrated with Stripe. It'll show them the plan that they bought. This person bought a test plan called Basic Monthly, and they can cancel the plan from within this. They'll also see the last 4 digits of their default credit card, and they'll be able to update their credit card just from within your website like this. They'll actually go to Stripe, but they can see that receipt in Stripe. Okay, so then let's say you want to integrate Stripe's new customer portal. You have to have Stripe customer portal, which means you have to be on Stripe's product called Billing, and you have to add customer portal. So you're just going to go into your Stripe account, search for customer portal. There, it's coming up. It's settings, billing, customer portal. So for customer portal to work, you do have to set it up. So you have to like tell Stripe what you want, which is great because it's highly customizable. So for example, you can say allow customers to update their payment methods, and you can say yes or no, but just simply toggling. The big one is allowing customers to cancel subscriptions. You get to choose immediately if you want customers to cancel their subscription immediately when they cancel, or cancel at end of billing period, which I highly recommend. So if you sign up for like Disney Plus on January 1st and you cancel on January 2nd, Disney lets you watch, as far as I know, they let you watch movies until the end of that prepaid period, that month you paid for. So I think that's what I would recommend, but you can also cancel immediately. And then pausing and resuming subscriptions, all these options are available to you. You do have to set this up, and you have to set terms of service and privacy link on your website. You have to tell Stripe what those are, and then you're all saved. Make sure that you do this in test mode. If you're going to be testing, it only works if you've set this up and saved it on test mode. And then for your live customers, you want to toggle over to live mode and set the same thing up and save. Okay, but I've set up both on this account. And then just go into Paid Members app and just tell us that you have that. So you just tell us you have that by saying you have Stripe billing and that you have and want to use customer portal. So instantly when you check those 2 boxes, when your customer logs in by clicking on my account and logging in, that billing, that customer form that we showed you now says billing portal. And so when they click that, they're actually redirected to Stripe's customer portal. No coding required. We did all the coding for you, and your customer's now logged in and they can cancel their plan and update their credit card. So that is how you do it. Let me show you with someone new signing up. So let me log out of this person's account. So then we're just on my website and we see a subscribe button. This is the legacy Stripe checkout that looks like this. And then like Stripe has their new version of checkout, which redirects to Stripe for payment. But this one just pops up on the website. So I'm going to enter into customer, just test1@test.com, and then put in a testing credit card number. This is my favorite testing credit card number, 4242, 4 times, any date in the future, and then 123 works great, any 3 digits. Okay, so now I need to complete my sign up by creating a password. Okay, so now I've entered my password and I'm just gonna log into my account. Okay, I can see what pages I have access to. Again, this is if you've restricted pages of your website, but you don't have to do that. You can just use us for subscriptions or one-time payments through Stripe. I'm gonna look at my profile. I can update my profile picture, et cetera, et cetera. And now if I click on Billing Portal, I will just go to Customer Portal and I'll see that I'm on that Basic Monthly plan. That's what I just purchased. And when it renews, which is in a month from today, because today is September 26th, and then I could add a payment method if I wanted to add a payment method, etc. So this is Stripe Customer Portal. This requires a developer if you don't use our app, but we wrote all the code for you. So this is a no-code Stripe Customer Portal integration using Paid Members app.